Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and in this video I'm going to be starting on some maintenance on this shorty, or some repairs. And today what I have is a front patroller part. Where's their little signature little thing there, and it's a genuine Nissan washer bottle for the front and back window. Comes with the little electric motors, and the other one is obviously brittle, broken and whatnot because I've put water in it, it just drains straight out. So that's coming out, and I'm going to replace it with this and make sure I got windscreen washers at work, and see how I go with that. And I guess I'll begin. Well, at first I thought this was going to be super simple, but it turns out I need to remove the battery and this fuse box cover plate to get into to get this out, to get to the screws. So I guess I'll do that. It's always the way when you think, oh, it's not going to be super easy, this is going to be a piece of cake, and then you find out all this other stuff has to come out and get out of the way. Now, the battery out. Unscrew, and 2 screws. Actually, probably no, can't reach it. Cover comes off. Oh, that's right, they're all connected to that, I remember. Then we'll just crack these little bolts loose, and I should be able to undo them with a screwdriver. And 1 and 2 here. That done, them out the way. That is going to come out here, depending on these. Ooh, wire broken. Well, let's tell these aren't the factory ones. Not enough. So the clear line went to the furthest across. Alright, with that off, let's find out what kind of abortion this is. Pretty obvious which one's positive, which one's negative. I have to unstitch all of this, get all this ugly insulation tape off. Work out Yep, positive, positive, negative, negative. What the? Oh, that's pulled out of there. Well, let's just pull you guys apart. New one. Black was this side. And clear, where'd you go there? Was the radiator side. Alright. Oh, which reminds me, this was the black one. Alright, after further inspection, this one is for the other side, for this white motor, and this one with the black pipe, and this side I think is for the front windscreen, which is the most important. So I'll continue with that. And what I did find out, like, you know, just having a bit of a squiz on here, is when I was showing the light in there, I've got I and B. So B would possibly be body, being earth, and I would possibly be instrument, which is the signal, or, you know, the switch, which is a positive. So armed with that bit of information, I guess I should try. I'll see if I can strip these. Should I test whether they even work? Oh, they should be okay. Well, guess I'll find out as I go. So if I do the negative first. First, I have to use a pair of wire strippers because my hands are a bit dodgy. Put that over, fold it over once. That and crimps. So this is the negative going on to be crimped. Stick it in like so, and hope that it pokes out there. Yep, just making sure that it's made the rest of the distance. One can go into there, assuming that's positive. I'm fairly certain it will be. That's there. What I need to do is give it a test. So I'll fill this with, I'll put the battery there, just hook it up, just temporary, and then I'll fill that with water and give it a test, make sure that it's correct. Alright, and you should find a water vessel. Alright, got water in it. Let's see if I can turn the key on and just operate it. I better make sure these aren't, these other two, where are you? There. Make sure they're not touching, which they're not. Pull up to wash. Oh, sound. Oh, water. All right, that's a success. All right. In that case, that being a success, so I know I've got that there correct, and it's doing all the right things, so I followed the right passage of it. Now, should I make something for that? I think so. Wonder what I can do. Well, that was a definite no in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try something really brutal. Bend that out, and that is the positive. So I'll put the positive on first, on there, and the negative on there. All right. I guess now I can turn the key on and see if that works. Put it like that. It's running out. Turn the key on. Yep, alright, so that bit's right. So I'll get this back on there. Come on, you. Right, so it's underwater. Let's try that again. And watching. Oh, yes, I have water. Awesome. All right. Check there's no water under here. Doesn't seem to be. Keys off. Yep. All right, so with that said, I can now pull the battery back out and start reinstall this, and then put everything back. And that should be right. Should being the operative word. Nip it up a little bit with the 10mm. All right. Make sure everything here is all good. Yep. And there looks right. Right, so get that out of the way for now. You out of the way. Should be right to bring in that battery, hopefully for the last time. This thing weighs a ton. Actually, it's probably not all that heavy, it's just you having a very sore back makes it seem. Just to try one more time, make sure it's working. Oops. Yep. Pool wash. Yeah. Righto. That's done. Wow. That's mounted in. I've got to refill it properly, but I've put that in, so I'll now mount the battery. And then tighten up the battery clamps. Or I can, yeah, I kind of want them off, don't I? So I don't accidentally short something out. Amazing when you can actually see what you're doing. Batteries clamped in. Put this last little lock washer on there. Tighten it. Alright. That's battery clamped in. Put the positive on. 13. Alright, now I guess I'll do one last check that it does what it's meant to. Yep. And one look over the back. Yep. And I'm guessing that's almost it, isn't it? Got that in, got that on. That's topped up. What I'm going to do is actually go inside for a bit, have a cup of tea, because I want to see if I leave this that it doesn't get any lower. And then come back out and see how it is. Alright, well, after leaving that for 20 minutes, hasn't gone down whatsoever, so assuming it's full. I got some concentrate windscreen cleaner from Bars Leak, or Bars Bugs it's called. And it says for 4 litres plus. Oh, it's your lizard been in there. It says about put 100 ml in. For 4 litres. That's about 100 ml ish, and that'll do. There we go, done. Wow, that's cool little job. I've got a bunch of maintenance videos still on this, but thank you very much for watching, and I will aspire to see you in the next one, whatever that is. Cheers, thanks.